Go?
Yeah.
Okay, so before I did my ALS challenge, I forgot I needed to nominate people, so I'm going to cut this before I do the ice bucket, which was very, very cold. I wanted to nominate Linus and Slick from LinusMediaGroup, and I wanted to nominate also Wills, Jack, and Keys from NCIX. I also want to nominate my brother Craig. I want him to do this. You have 24 hours, so do the ice bucket challenge. $10 to any charity you want, or $100 if you don't do it. Thank you.
Go.
Okay, I was nominated to do the ALS ice bucket challenge by my cousin Donnie. I'm a little late. I don't have $100, but I have donated multiple times through the Humble Bundle. You can go to humblebundle.com. That's humblebundle.com to buy games. And every time you buy games, you pay what you want, and you also can donate a portion of that to the Child's Play Foundation, which helps in all kinds of things.
Okay.
All right. So I donate all throughout the year buying these games and stuff. I don't have a total, but I buy almost every one that comes out. Usually it's, I pay $7 or $8, so I've easily raised, like $70 easily throughout the year for these foundations, the Child's Play Foundation. I believe ALS has plenty of money for the cause that they're going for. I believe that we can aim in other directions, like water.org and Feed the Hungry, I think. I forgot the actual website. So please donate to any foundation you want to, or charity. Just donate, just period. Alright, so now I'm going to do this. As you can, is it cold? How cold is it?
Super